Want something fast, simple, and punchy? Here is your script following all your rules exactly. Most people will try building AI tools, but quit because it feels confusing and slow to start today. You do not need coding or skills because this tool builds everything for you in just minutes. Imagine turning simple ideas into real tools people can use and even profit from every day. Instead of guessing what works, you use proven templates already designed to succeed fast. You pick a niche, click a button, and your full AI tool is ready to publish instantly online. It creates names, descriptions, and logos so everything looks professional from day one. No more wasting hours writing instructions or trying to figure out how everything works. You simply copy, paste, and launch your own working tool into a growing marketplace today. Each tool you create becomes a digital asset that can keep working for you over time. And the best part is you can repeat the same process again and again without limits. This means more tools, more chances, and more opportunities to build something valuable. While others hesitate and overthink, you move fast and start building real results today. If you want a simple way to start with AI without stress, this is your moment to act now. Click the link in the description and see how easy it is to get started for yourself.